Hey everyone, can I ask you one thing? So, do you ever visit a kind of place that instantly make you happy? So, this weekend I found one and that really make me happy and uplift my mood. So, today I'm going to show you. So, here it is. This is Arena Resort, Grand Arena Resort that is in Hyderabad and it spread on 9 acre. Can you believe this? This is a resort where people stay here. So here is everything, you can here there is a big playground. As you can see, this is a cricket playground. Apart from that, everything here is a rooms, a swimming pool, play area that I'm going to show you, so please stay with me so that you can enjoy everything. So as you can see, now there is a big playground for a cricket where people love to play here. And this is a big play zone for the kids. Actually, I noticed there was a two play zone. The first one is indoor and the second one is outdoor. So as you can see here, kids were busy with their game. And can you tell me one thing? Do you know all the equipment's name that is in play zone? If you want to know, so please let me know. I will give you all the names if you really want to know. And here even I also enjoyed a lot here. And do you know what is this game called? Can you give me in my comment box? Have you ever played this game? Look at this. And here this is one of the, I feel like, very famous here. People love to watch it, people love to play it. Even sometimes I also enjoy it because this game is also in my society. And now this is a big challenge for you. You tell me what is this game called. All right, so let's move ahead. And here again, here people are playing. Here there are a lot of things that we really enjoyed it. Even every I saw everyone was busy. Kids were busy in a play area, some people were busy in a swimming pool, and everywhere that I'm going to show you in next video. So I think this is the great thing, right? Because if kids are busy, so that time we can utilize our time. But if kids become so annoying, so it's really difficult to, to manage them. And there are a lot of things that I was not able to record today because he was feeling so restless, and that's why I couldn't upload those videos. So I'm going to show you such a beautiful swimming pool that was over there. Look at this. This is the big swimming pool over there. And wow, it's amazing, right? What do you think? Is it nice? Have you ever visited any swimming pool that you really enjoyed it? And that was in that resort. That was, look at this. Here I saw people came here and they stayed here like 2 or 3 days, or some people came here just for vacation, and they enjoyed such an amazing time with their family. See, people are taking their picture and everything. And I was surprised what it is called. Have you ever seen it? What is this? Is it like a bear? But I was really surprised what was that, because I didn't know what was called exactly. So let's move ahead and see the very big farm over there that we really enjoyed it. So here, as you can see, my kids, what are they doing? Look at them, and they are really enjoying it, right? So can you tell me, have you ever visited this kind of place that you really enjoyed it? So don't forget to give me in my comment box. Here again, this is also, have you ever tried this kind of equipment? So like there are a lot of people who love to go to gym indoor, and that was outdoor. So here is a box cricket. People are doing practice over here. Even I am not into a cricket, but there, when I went there and when I saw people were cheering up, there were music, sound, commentators. So it really gave me a really very lively feeling. So near there was a kind of restaurant where people were ordering like a sandwich, tea, whatever they wanted. Then I also went there and I ordered some food over there. That was really amazing. The taste was fantastic. So let's move ahead and let's explore some food. Without food, we can't live, right? Food is really a part of our life. So, but the thing is that I couldn't shoot that videos, because that time my kid was really annoying me, and that's the reason. But whatever I captured, so these all thing I captured for you, and I hope guys you are really enjoying it. Look at everything. So this is the thing that this weekend I went and I really enjoyed over there. So now it's time to take you to the most amazing place, right? This is indoor game and I'm sure you must have played it. As you can see, there are a different kind of equipments here where people love to play. So which game do you like to play? This is called air hockey that my son is playing over here, and this is his favorite game. And then you can see this is called, you know what is it called, right? And he is playing with this table tennis bat and with this small ball, and look at him how happy he is, right, while playing. And even I asked him to give me that bat, but he was not ready to give me, right? And look at me. So that was amazing place. And as you can see, there are a big ground and people were lively enjoying cricket. Even look at them, they are having their snacks, enjoying their team, celebrating their win. So everything was amazing. There was commentators. And they all won or cheering up all the moments. That was such amazing experience I had. So if you are the one who really enjoy cricket or you love nature, so I think this is the best place for you. You can also visit this kind of place because it really help you to uplift your mood. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.